Namaskar. Why we suffer and what we learn from dark days. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Why we suffer and what we learn from dark days. You know, whenever I look back into the past, I am so grateful for everything that happened to me. You know why? Because I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be able to talk. I wouldn't be able to create anything. I wouldn't be able to create these videos. I wouldn't be able to make art. Maybe I wouldn't be that good at what I'm doing. You know why? Because I did not suffer enough to know what darkness is. To create what? To create light, to create love, to create art, to create me. Well, I'm never gone. You know, creation is for eternity. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you for keeping me in your heart. Thanks for watching. Dear Unique, always remember, you are unique. Always remember, there is only one you. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and write a comment for me. Love you. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond. Bye.